Welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another TTDEYE contact lens review, and today I'm going to be reviewing Queen Green. Okay, here is the box that the contact lenses came in. Okay, it also comes with the case and a few little free gifts and stuff as well. Alright, so let's get this review started. Okay, I'll be back with one of them in my eye so you can see how it looks compared to the other eye. Okay, I am back and I got the Queen Greens in, and they are just totally gorgeous. I was unsure about these before I purchased them because on the picture it looked a little pixely and I just wasn't for sure, but I did see reviews on this and other people. I was just like, that it looks really good. So I just decided to give it a chance, and I absolutely love it. They're among my favorites as well. I really like the Queen Green. I like the cream. I really like the Queen Green, and I also have it in the Queen Blue. I love both of those, absolutely. And I also went and bought all the Queen colors, okay? Because it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, I'll be back with the other one in my eye. Okay, I got them both in, and I absolutely love it. Gorgeous. Love it, love it, love it. You all let me know what you all think about this color right here. Okay, because I am absolutely feeling it, honey. Absolutely. That green. All right. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for this review. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Okay, I will see you in the next one. Have a blessed day, and bye-bye.